Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C31. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change manually brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, enable or disable dark theme, auto resolution, night light, and change its intensity. We can change color and contrast, enable or disable video display enhancement, again enable or disable adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, and in the end we can manage lock screen settings. For example, we can select notifications on lock screen, enable or disable skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show lockdown option, enable or disable double tap to lock, turn on or off lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.